One of your key steps in making an old car look new on a budget is all-weather mats. Almost any model car you have, you can find great mats for a great price on Amazon. Just go in and search by your exact car model. But let me tell you a few things you want to watch out for. First of all, you want mats that have lips on the side. That's what's going to keep spills in place. So whenever I'm going and searching, that's the first thing I'm looking for. You'll have all kinds of different brands, and I've honestly found them to all be pretty much the same. But the real key is you want to make sure they're fit specifically for your car. To take care of these is super easy if you do a couple of things. My secret technique here is when you buy them, maybe before you even put them in the car for the first time, coat them in black. A great product by D3 Renew Protect. It's a ceramic coating and it'll make them so much easier to clean and keep them looking new. Anytime they start looking rough, just do another coat of this. If they're not black, use the product called gloss. It'll do the same thing, it's just clear. Sometimes you'll find them for the front seats and the back seats in pieces. So 2 pieces obviously for the front seat. Sometimes there'll be 1 piece like this. I don't really care, I don't have a super big preference there. I'm gonna be looking for a good price, custom fit for my exact car, and have these good lips on them. You can see how well they fit. That's the key. They're all laser cut. That's why you want to match it up to your specific car model. They're going to cover up that old nasty carpet. Now, you're always going to want to get these for the front seat and the back seat. And you can see the back also custom fit, just looks really, really good. And then you can have the option, if you want, to get them for the trunk. I probably wouldn't get them for the trunk if it was a sedan, but on SUVs, I do like getting them for the trunk. Again, just the same thing. It's gonna keep it nice and clean, easy to maintain. It's a great key to making your old car feel new on a budget.